In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Instacart promo code. Instacart promo codes can help users save money on groceries and other household items. They provide discounts or special offers, making shopping more affordable and convenient. To get your Instacart discount code, simply head into any browser of your own choice. It can be Safari or any other browser. On the search bar, type in Instacart promo code plus the month you're currently in. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Select this website that has 30% off any purchase on Instacart. Choose any coupon code of your own choice. The code will get generated successfully. Go ahead and copy the code to clipboard. You can just tap right here to redeem directly to Instacart. Don't forget to write your email here so that you don't miss out on exclusive Instacart deals. Go to the Instacart official website. Under the payment page, make sure to paste in your coupon code. Double check down if your code is activated successfully before making any kind of payment. That's how easy it is to get your Instacart promo code every month. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.